Mandatory requirements for the sales role at Body Time. Proven sales experience. You must have a track record of achieving or exceeding sales targets in a fast-paced environment. Previous experience in health, fitness, or wellness sales is a plus. Excellent communication skills. You must be able to engage, persuade, and build relationships with potential clients effectively. Confidence in both verbal and written communication is essential. Customer-focused mindset. Understanding our clients' needs and tailoring solutions to their goals is key. Your ability to listen actively and empathize with clients will set you apart. Strong work ethic and motivation. Self-discipline, time management, and the drive to excel in a commission-based or target-driven role are mandatory. Knowledge of our products and services. You must quickly learn and understand the features, benefits, and unique selling points of Body Time services and products, for example, iBody EMS home training system, MotivatedFit program, Eximia, V-Shape. Ability to generate leads. You are expected to actively seek out new business opportunities, generate leads, and follow up persistently. Adaptability. The ability to handle objections, adapt to different client personalities, and customize pitches as needed. Team player. While this is a sales-focused role, collaboration with other team members to ensure client satisfaction and uphold Body Time's reputation is mandatory. Tech savvy. Familiarity with CRM tools and the ability to leverage social media or other digital platforms for lead generation and client engagement is a must. High-level professionalism. You represent Body Time to our clients. A polished appearance, punctuality, and a positive attitude are non-negotiable. Key expectations. You will work toward ambitious sales targets and be rewarded for achieving them with an attractive commission structure. You will be trained on our unique offerings, but you must bring the passion and ability to sell effectively from day one. Commitment to our mission of delivering health and fitness solutions to clients is essential. Are you ready to take on the challenge and make a difference? Let's get started. Sincerely, Elise.